Hi everybody, welcome back. We are going to make this beautiful blue rose. For that, take a blue ribbon and we are making the petals of the rose. Fix the corners using fire as we are doing here and give it shape with your fingers. Then we are going to make more such shapes and roll them around a green stick like we are doing here, like this. Then paste all the petals around the green stick one after another like we are doing here. Cover it from the other ends and we are fixing it from the bottom using hot glue gun like this and make a round shape like we are doing here. These type of flowers are very costly at store, but you can make them at home with easy craft items. Like we have only used a ribbon and hot glue gun, or you can also use a glue in place of hot glue gun if you don't have that. So complete the flower like this and look, it is complete. Now add a leaf at the end and look how beautiful this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share.